What's up guys, welcome back to No Cap Invest. Let's get straight to it. So we've got 30 minutes left in the trading day. Market is down today on Biden's comments about possibly raising capital gains tax to almost 40%. However, there are many stocks in my portfolio that I would really like to get more of today. So I'm happy that the market is down a bit. You know how we do on No Cap Invest, slow and steady. So like always, I'm gonna look at my portfolio. I have it pulled up on the screen. And my portfolio is, I counted the other day, it's over 100 stocks, so it's like 123 stocks. And my investing in strategy is very simple. Anything in my portfolio is essentially a long-term hold that's plus 1 year, so it's going to be held for more than 1 year so that when you sell it, you don't incur very huge taxes, which right now is about capital gains tax, like 20%, but it could be 40% if you make over $1 million. So I'm going to pull up my portfolio and I'm going to look at what's down in today's gain and loss the most. And then I'm going to compare that to my total gain and loss and see which positions am I going to top off today. I only have $100 in my trading portfolio. Immediately what catches my eye is SRAC, which is ticker SRAC, Stable Road Acquisition Corp. This is one of the companies that's going to be in the ARK Invest Space ETF. So ARK Invest is one of the most successful ETFs out there. They have ARK Invest, they have ARK Invest Finance, ARK Invest Genomics. I'm invested in all of them. And this Space ETF is not out yet, but this is going to be one of those companies that's in there. I'm down, let's see, 38%. It's down today, almost 5%. So I'm going to grab me some of those. There's a lot of controversy about these acquisition corporations right now. There's a huge frenzy, kind of like with the ICOs a couple years ago. People are creating these acquisition companies that are supposed to be companies and they're publicly traded, but again, do your own research and never invest what you can't afford to lose. So since I have $100, I'm going to buy 2 shares of that. It's trading about $11. They actually sent me a voluntary corporate action in my secure mail on Fidelity the other day, offering to buy my shares of SRAC at $16 a share, and I declined, even though they're trading at 11 right now. So Space Mobile actually tried to do the same thing with me. They offered me to buy out my shares before they went public, and now they're actually trading public Space Mobile. And another one that gets me really excited today, and I'm really happy that this is down and the market's down today, is Horizon Technology Finance Corp. This is a monthly dividend company. It's part of my monthly dividend portfolio, and they basically are dealing with funding small to mid-sized corporations, and they have a pretty good margin. And yeah, I want to get more of that in my portfolio for sure. Trying to build my monthly dividend portfolio out and diversify it, because a lot of people have monthly dividend stocks like ticker O or whatever in real estate, and that's great, but not a lot of people that I've seen have a diversified monthly dividend portfolio. There is a few people out there, but anyways, I'm actually going to buy 3 shares of that. That's $45 out of my 6. Huh?
Like mine? No, not too diverse.
Yeah.
That was my lesson I learned last week.
Essentially, you can never be too diverse. If you can, but that's if you do it really bad. Let's see what else is down today, boys. MicroStrategy is down 7%. I'm down only 9% total gain and loss. I have 0.16 shares of MicroStrategy trading at $600 each. I guess maybe because Bitcoin is also down, like 3 or 4% today, like it's trading at 53,000. So my crypto network is like down a lot today, but so Bitcoin is down almost 4% today, boys. Ether is up 5%, which is why I'm not stressing too much, but this is just a healthy correction. And again, like we haven't even seen like the real correction yet. Like a lot of people are getting just into crypto, just into investing, and they're gonna get their feet wet. They're supposed to get their feet wet, but they're about to get dumped by the correction that's coming up. It could be this year, it could be next year, but the fact is it's gonna come, and it could be a minor one, it could be only 20%, but historically in the crypto market we've seen like 50 to 60, 70% corrections every 2 years. So I don't see why it would break this time. It could. What that would mean is that we've reached past the critical mass of mass adoption, which would be really good news. But Coinbase is down almost 6% today. I put like 1 cent into Coinbase when it IPO'd because Again, I'm invested in several other crypto companies that are, let's see, what do I even have up on the screen right now? I'm invested in ticker, I'm just going to throw the tickers out there. I'm going to get past all the cap. Ticker MARA, Marathon Patent Division. It's a mining corporation. There's ticker HUTMF, that's Hut8 Mining Corp, also a mining company. Ticker MSTR, MicroStrategy is an intelligence firm that just has invested in Bitcoin. Like they have like 90,000 or some shit. They have a ridiculous number of Bitcoin now. But these are all publicly traded crypto companies that anyone can buy right now on any exchange that aren't Coinbase. But since Coinbase is down so much today, I'm gonna finally buy some. Everyone kind of rushed in to buy it on the first day, but I wanted to wait for the first correction, and here we go. Let's see, we have 28 bucks left. We're gonna throw 20 buckaroos. But we're gonna buy 0.01 shares of Coinbase. There we go.
Welcome back to NoCap Invest. Our top stories today. Bitcoin dominance sinks below 50% for the first time since 2018 as Bitcoin crashes about 3 or 4%, along with the stock market crashing about 1% today in the major indices. PancakeSwap widens Binance Smart Chain leads. PancakeSwap, a token on the Binance chain, has attracted a crazy amount of volume in the last few days and has actually topped total transaction volume for the Ethereum network in a 24-hour period. And Morgan Stanley has a new Bitcoin fund that has drawn about $30 million in 2 weeks, according to some filing. And Ether soars to record highs, surging past the 2,200 mark and into 25 to 2,600 today, which is crazy and I think long overdue because Ethereum is way underpriced if you think about it in terms of how useful it is compared to Bitcoin. I'm not saying Bitcoin is bad, but I love Bitcoin too, but yeah. I need to change that. So Bitcoin dominance, the ratio of the largest cryptocurrency and the first cryptocurrency's value to the overall market capitalization of all digital assets has slipped below 50% for the first time since 2018, according to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. The ratio was 48% as of today, and this is following after Ether and other altcoins have surged to record highs. This isn't necessarily like a good or a bad thing. It's just math and showing that Bitcoin does not comprise half of all the value in the crypto market anymore. It's interesting because I remember when I was working in the crypto industry, I met a few people who were so-called Bitcoin maximalists. I think the term means something different now, but back then, Bitcoin maximalists meant they're basically people who thought Bitcoin was the only crypto and Ether and everything else was just pointless because they're going to, implement the Lightning Network on Bitcoin, and they were just going to innovate so much on the Bitcoin blockchain that nothing else was going to be needed. And so that was like their philosophy. And I met a couple people like that actually owned some crypto custody companies. However, it looks like that has not been the case. I never really agreed with that because, again, what actually got me into Ethereum, into crypto and into blockchain was Ethereum, because I heard about Bitcoin way back, but when I first heard about it, I was like 13 and I was playing World of Warcraft in my mom's house, and I heard about it and I just didn't understand it. I thought it was some kind of scam. I thought I was going to get hacked. Then I heard about it again when I was 19 years old in my college dorm, and I was really hating what I was doing, and I was just researching online for new innovative technologies, and Ethereum was like, what's up? Ethereum swiped right, let's say. So I stand corrected. I'm very sorry for not reading the article before spewing it out onto recorded mediums. However, it's not Pancake Finance that has topped Ethereum transaction. It's the entire Binance chain and the respective DeFi apps that are on there. For example, PancakeSwap and others. So PancakeSwap just happens to be one of the newest and most innovative, and I'm actually really bullish on it. I have like 100 Pancake, and they're making it really easy for anyone to get into DeFi. At the end, after we go over the other things, we're going to talk about PancakeSwap and how to get into it. It's the only part that's difficult about using the Binance chain is that there's not many crypto exchanges that sell Binance coin for Americans. If you're in Europe, you can use Binance, and it's going to be really easy to get on the Binance chain. But at least in America, not every crypto exchange offers it.